the apex of the heart, the inferior point of the heart. And then this is the base, superior part of the heart, where blood vessels enter and exit through the heart. Then we have the auricles, which are the ears, and they're right here and here. Ear-like flaps that stick out on the anterior view above the right and left atriums. And then we have the coronary artery right here, large artery that supplies blood to the actual heart muscle. And then we have the inferior and superior vena cava, both, and so our inferior would be down here, but then we can really just see our superior, which is here, which is right there, and then another opening right back here. And these are our superior vena cava, both veins that bring blood to the right atriums from the upper and the lower parts of the body. And then we have the right atrium right here. And then from our right atrium, we go to the tricuspid valve. And then from there, we go to the right ventricle. And we have our tricuspid valve, which prevents backflow from the right ventricle. And then from our right ventricle, we go to the right ventricle's over here. So we go to the pulmonary artery. And our pulmonary artery goes to our lung to get blood oxygenated. And then once the blood is oxygenated, it returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins, which is right here. We know that because when you close it, it comes right there. So from our pulmonary vein, it returns to the heart, and then it goes into the left atrium, and then it goes to the left ventricle, which is separated by the bicuspid valve, which again prevents backflow from the left ventricle. Now the blood is ready to be pumped through the rest of the body as it exits through the left ventricle. And as the blood is exiting, the semilunar valve opens and allows the blood to enter through the aorta. And the aorta splits with the two bronchialis trunks to form the right subclavian and the right common aortic artery. And then we have the chordae tendineae right here. And these are the cord-like tendons that stabilize the bicuspid and tricuspid valves to the papillary muscle, which then divide the tricuspid and bicuspid valves. And then we have the trabecular carni. And these are the ridges and the folds in the ventricles. This is in our left ventricle, and then we have them in our right ventricle as well. And then we have our intraventricle septum, which is this, and the muscle that separates the right and left ventricles.